let's see, my phone is charged, and so without further ado, let us get to these reviews. First stop on the hunt today was a little department store called Michael's, and yes, they do have a toy section. It sucks, but had to dig, had to, try to come out of there and at least find something, because I'm at a point now where I don't want to leave a store empty-handed. And I was able to find another Spider-Man Mystery Mini. So check it out, see what we got.
Bruh.
Again, another character who I do not have a clue of, but it's really cool. I like it. I believe this guy right here was 1 in 12, so hey, it works. Really cool though. I like this guy. And yeah. Nothing, spectacular to say about him. But yeah, really cool mystery mini. Not much to it. My next stop was in the mall. As always, gotta hit GameStop. Now, initially, I was looking for the Stephen King Real Toys Hot Topic exclusive figure,
Bruh.
but they didn't have it. And trust me, I looked and I asked, but they didn't have it. So instead, again, I never want to leave a hunt empty-handed. We found this Retro Fest WWE Elite figure.
Oh yeah!
Savage. And I really like this figure for the simple fact that this attire right here, he wore it during the Yokozuna Body Slam Challenge. For any wrestling fan that does not remember that, watch it on the network, because it's just one of them things where the little kid will come out of you. But yeah, this is a really, really cool figure. I've been debating on getting this for a while, but yeah, today I had to get it, had to pick it up. So yeah, this was a definite must-have to add to the wall. But really cool. I really like this. If you see this in your local GameStops and you are a fan of the WWE, make sure you pick this up. My next stop, Hot Topic, and I was on a mission today because today's mission was accomplished. Got to talking to one of the employees in Hot Topic. We got to talking about wrestling, and real cool guy. Shout out to that guy, because he was wearing a Bullet Club shirt. We got to talking about All In, this, that, and the other. Managed to find the Hot Topic exclusive 6-inch White Tiger Zord. I love this. And this is dope. Again, part of my childhood. This is a really cool figure. I really like it. As you can see, Hot Topic exclusive, the 25th year anniversary of the Power Rangers. But yeah, this is a really cool figure. Now, for my younger viewers who do not remember, these are the Power Rangers that I grew up on. The White Ranger, the Green Ranger. And, this was, a definite must-have. As far as, Ultimate Grails, I still want a Dragon Zord pop. I'm looking to try and find one at a reasonable price. Man, but yeah, this was a definite must-have. Stashpedia has this coming in at about $28, so nice little value for a 6-inch. But if you see this bad boy in Hot Topic and you got the money and the hot cash, make sure you pick this up. And I kept looking through Hot Topic, and the one thing I went there for, we got the horror mystery box. So let's open this bad boy up. Okay. We got the Beetlejuice plushie. I actually like this. I think this is pretty cool. I think I might keep it. We've got the Friday the 13th mystery mini. So let's open that up.
Bruh.
It's pretty cool. I like that, Jason. I think this is, yeah, this was just the one. This is for the Hot Topic exclusive right here. And of course, we've got this Ash from Ash and Evil Dead Pocket Pop Hot Topic exclusive. Really cool. And we struck out, but we got the Hot Topic exclusive Pretty Woman Mask Leatherface. Man, I was really hoping for that chase. Like, I picked it up, I did the box test and everything. I really thought this felt like a chase, but it wasn't. Might have to go back and get another box and try it again. But I like this. This is really cool. Not much to say about it, but I mean, all in all, the box, I feel like it's worth it. I mean, if you got the 3250, get it. Last stop on the hunt was FYE, and they had a BOGO buy two pops, get a third one for 75% off. Was looking for the Michael Myers FYE exclusive, but they didn't have it, which is strange, but that's my FYE. But went through the store and I found some pretty cool stuff. First things first, from the new Power Ranger wave, we got Tommy. Yo, I had to have this, had to have this. If it was, I should have picked up Jason as well, but I ended up going with Tommy because I was already way over my budget. But really cool. I really like this. 25 year anniversary sticker, but really cool. What do you say we take this out of the box and my man Howard hit me? Whew. Appreciate that, Howard. Let y'all get a good look at it. It's got the ponytail.
Bruh.
Dropped it. He's also got the earring. I'll let y'all check that out. But a really dope pop, man. I really like this. And I gotta show these off. Because Green Ranger's my boy. And I'm waiting on them to do the White Ranger as well. And I'm gonna get the White Ranger socks too. But really dope. Really, really like this. And also there's the Dragon Dagger. But real cool though. Stashpedia has this coming in at an estimated $12. But again, not too bad. Really waiting on the White Ranger one to drop. But this is really cool though. I really, really like this. These actually finally started spotting up in the area, so I am definitely going to be on the lookout for everything Power Ranger. I'm gonna try to get all of the Rangers and all of the villains. If you see these in Hot Topics, GameStops, FYEs, that's where I found this one, and you are a fan of the old school Power Rangers, make sure you pick this up. Continuing my journey through FYE, this was a must-have because first, his video game was one of those games that I know I shouldn't have had no business playing, but it was like one of the first games where I was just like, wow, okay. So from Birdhouse in the sports series, we got the myth, Tony Hawk. Love this figure. And this is like a younger version of Tony Hawk, so yeah, this was a definite must-have. Ain't much more to say. Let's get a good look at it out of the box. Yo, Howard, you know the drill. Appreciate it, Howard. And my God, I didn't drop it.
Bruh.
This is cool. This is really cool. It's got the skateboard in hand, and like I kind of wish they had made that skateboard out of like some thicker rubber, because if you're an out of box displayer, like that thing could get bent up really easy. But I'll let y'all check it out. You know, he's even got the logo on the skateboard. And my camera act like it don't want to focus, but real cool though. I like this. Got the Birdhouse shirt, and like I said, this is a younger version of him. Stashpedia has this guy listed at about $12 as well, but you know, this is pretty cool. I really like this. Tony Hawk Pro Skater 2 is like one of my all-time favorite games because I spent a lot of time on it, and you know, it was one of those games that I had to beat as a kid, but it's cool though to have him, you know, in this form. If you see it in Hot Topic, GameStop, FYE, make sure you pick this up. The final grab of the day comes courtesy of, again, just going through FYE and just trying to decide between two Real Toys figures, and I settled on, from the Texas Chainsaw Massacre, we got Leatherface. We're gonna open him up. Bam. And I love the detail on this, and he comes with the chainsaw, he comes with a hammer, he comes with a crowbar, he comes with a knife, he comes with, looks like a machete and another head swap. I like the blood on his apron. I think that's really cool. And this is, oh man, this thing is awesome. This is from the original Texas Chainsaw Massacre movie, like his original get up, and it's getting so close to Halloween. I'm getting ready to binge watch like a lot of movies and stuff. But yeah, this is dope. I'll show it again. This is real dope. I had to get this. I seen another one I want to get too. And it was a Freddy Krueger one I want to get. It was from the final chapter. Final chapter? Yeah, they had the real toys of that. But really cool figure. If you are into collecting the horror movie figures, you're a horror fan like me, and you got the $30, make sure you pick this up. Just a small recap of everything we got today, and we got a lot of stuff. We got a couple of mystery minis, we got a pocket pop. Matter of fact, we got the Hot Topic exclusive horror box right here. We got this Texas Chainsaw Massacre Leatherface figure, got the Tony Hawk figure. Of course, we got to put them side by side, and I can't lie, them socks is dope as hell. We got the Retrofest Macho Man figure, the 6-inch White Tiger Zord. Other than that, man, I call this a super successful hunt. And those are my reviews. I'm spent. But it was a, nice hunt, nice haul. I can't complain. First of all, shout out to my Florida Gators beating down the University of Tennessee 47-21. I did not get to watch the game because I was in the middle of recording the Budget Club Presents the Geek Out podcast, and that podcast is a lot of fun. But I got a shout out to my Florida Gators, and like I said, I'm tired. I've been at it since 10:30 this morning, so I'm done. And that's pretty much it. If you're watching this, and you're not subscribed to the channel, super kick that subscribe button. Be sure to like, comment, and share. And as always, remember to be blessed. Be good to your fellow man. Kids, stay in school. Don't do drugs. See you on the next one.